Welcome to AutoVibe, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting cars from around the world. And today we are taking a closer look at the Toyota RAV4 SUV, but not the ordinary one. It's the futuristic modified version that blends bold design with advanced innovation. As we start from the front, the first thing that grabs your attention is the striking new grille design, seamlessly integrated with sharp LED headlights that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. The bumper carries a muscular, aerodynamic shape with futuristic air intakes, while the LED daytime running lights wrap around the edges, giving the RAV4 an aggressive yet elegant stance. Moving to the back, the tailgate is sleek and futuristic, with a continuous LED light bar that stretches across, creating a modern signature look at night. The rear bumper is bold, with a sporty diffuser and dual exhaust outlets that not only highlight performance but also enhance the SUV's athletic personality. The futuristic alloy wheels add a unique touch, while the extended rear spoiler brings in that sporty dynamic flair. On the right side, the profile tells an entirely new story, with sharp body lines and futuristic modifications that make the SUV look like it's in motion, even while standing still. The side mirrors are now sleek digital cameras, replacing the traditional mirrors for better aerodynamics and visibility. The flush door handles add a clean, high-tech finish, while the sculpted side skirts and wide stance make this RAV4 look ready for the roads of tomorrow. Step inside and the dashboard greets you with a futuristic vibe. A massive curved digital display stretches from the driver's side to the center, merging the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless high-tech interface. Touch-sensitive controls are beautifully integrated, and the ambient lighting across the dash changes color with driving modes, giving a personalized futuristic atmosphere. The steering wheel has been reimagined with touch-based controls and a flat-bottom design for a sporty yet modern feel. Sitting in the front seats, you immediately feel the luxury and comfort. The futuristic bucket-style seats are wrapped in eco-friendly leather with contrast stitching, offering both support and elegance. They are ventilated, heated, and come with a memory function to enhance the driving experience. Moving to the back seats, the same level of comfort continues with ample legroom, reclining options, and smart climate controls. The rear passengers also enjoy individual screens mounted on the seatbacks, giving them entertainment on the go. Finally, let's open the engine room. This futuristic modified RAV4 houses a hybrid powertrain with advanced battery technology, combining power and efficiency. The engine bay is neatly organized with illuminated accents that highlight the electric components. The futuristic engineering ensures smooth performance, silent electric driving when needed, and responsive acceleration when you demand power.